Wonders of Italy Travel Video 4K. Drone shots sweeping over Italian countryside, vineyards, and coastal cliffs. Soft, cinematic music. From the sun-kissed coasts of the Amalfi to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy is a land of timeless beauty. Every city, every street, and every landscape tells a story of art, history, culture, and nature intertwined in perfect harmony. Rome Colosseum, Vatican City, Trevi Fountain. Rome, the eternal city, is where ancient history meets modern life. Walk the steps of gladiators in the Colosseum, marvel at Michelangelo's masterpiece in the Sistine Chapel, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck. Visit early morning to avoid crowds at major landmarks. Public transport is convenient for hopping between sites. Florence and Tuscany. Duomo Cathedral, Ponte Vecchio, rolling vineyards. Florence is the cradle of the Renaissance. Its art, architecture, and history captivate visitors. Beyond the city, the Tuscany countryside invites travelers to wander through vineyards, olive groves, and medieval villages. Rent a car to explore Tuscany's countryside, but book vineyard tours in advance. Venice Canals, Gondolas, Piazza San Marco. Venice, a city afloat on water, enchants with its romantic canals and hidden alleyways. A gondola ride through the quiet canals at sunrise offers a glimpse into a magical world untouched by time. Visit off-season to enjoy quieter canals and lower prices. Milan, Duomo Cathedral, Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. Milan, Italy's fashion capital, balances historic grandeur with modern elegance. Explore the Gothic Duomo, indulge in world-class shopping, and discover the vibrant street life. Amalfi Coast in Capri. Coastal cliffs, colorful villages, sea views. The Amalfi Coast dazzles with its dramatic cliffs and colorful towns. Positano and Capri showcase the Mediterranean's charm, where turquoise waters meet sunlit cliffs. Ferries are the best way to navigate the coast between villages. Sicily and Naples. Mount Etna, Greek temples, Pompeii ruins. Sicily blends history and nature with active volcanoes, ancient Greek temples, and Mediterranean beaches. Naples offers a culinary journey, from authentic pizza to vibrant street life, while nearby Pompeii transports visitors back in time. Northern Italy, Lake Como and Dolomites. Mirror-like lakes, alpine villages, rugged peaks. Lake Como mirrors the alpine peaks, dotted with charming villages. The Dolomites offer dramatic landscapes and hiking adventures, perfect for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. Culinary experiences. Footage of pasta, gelato, wine tasting. No journey through Italy is complete without indulging in its cuisine, from freshly baked bread to world-famous pasta, gelato, and locally produced wines. Food is at the heart of Italian culture, and every meal is a celebration. Hidden gems and lesser-known towns. Montage of San Gimignano, Alberobello, Orvieto. Beyond the famous cities, Italy's hidden gems like San Gimignano, Alberobello, and Orvieto reveal medieval streets, unique architecture, and authentic local life, offering experiences off the typical tourist trail. Sunset over rolling Tuscan hills, Venetian canals, Amalfi cliffs. Italy is more than a country. It is a living canvas of history, culture, and natural beauty. Every corner tells a story. Every landscape inspires wonder. Whether you walk its ancient streets or sail its serene waters, Italy leaves a mark on the heart that lasts a lifetime.